Announcement.
Good morning to everyone travelling on Delta Flight DL123 departing to Boston. We are now ready to begin our boarding process. We ask you please remain seated until your boarding zone is announced, which can be found on your boarding pass. We now invite your customers who need assistance to pre-board at this time. We also now welcome your active duty US military with ID to board and thank you for your service. It is also a pleasure to welcome our Delta 360 members to board. Delta Airlines would now like to welcome passengers travelling in Zone 1 to board through the Delta 1 lane. We ask all passengers please be in possession of your own boarding passes and have your passports open at the photographic page. We also kindly ask you to remove any hats, caps and sunglasses and any face coverings when approaching the gate.
A very good morning. It's good to have you on board with us today. My name is Esther Luitjes and on behalf of this entire crew, I wish you a warm welcome on this flight to Amsterdam. Our flying time today will be approximately 1 hour. We would like to extend a special welcome to our Flying Blue members. And in a moment, I would like to explain a few things about the safety on board. And out of respect for everyone's privacy, you must get permission from passengers or crew before taking photographs or videos. We wish you a pleasant flight.
Cabin crew, take your seats.
Seatbelt sign will be switched off soon. However, we recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. And please be careful when opening the overhead compartments, as items may have shifted and could fall out. Unfortunately, our Wi-Fi network is not working today. Our apologies for that. soon we will arrive at Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. Local time is almost 20 minutes to 2. It's 1 hour later in the Netherlands. Please stow your hand luggage in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. Fasten your seatbelts, adjust the back of your seat to the upright position, disconnect your electronic device from any power supply and stow your tray table. And please read the safety on board card again. In case of an evacuation, leave everything behind and follow the instructions of the crew. And some final information for passengers for the flight to Warsaw. I just received information that that flight is delayed with half an hour. New departure time is 5 minutes past 3 and your departure gate is D66, Delta 66.
Cabin crew, take your seats.
Welkom terug in Nederland, welkom in Amsterdam. Wilt u nog even blijven zitten met uw stoelriem vast totdat de verlichting van het bordje stoelriemen vast uit is. En let op bij het openen van de bagagebakken, er kunnen spullen verschoven zijn en eruit vallen. U kunt nu de netwerkverbinding op uw telefoon weer aanzetten. En andere elektronische apparaten moeten opgeborgen blijven totdat we bij de gate zijn. En namens deze gehele bemanning hartelijk dank dat u met KLM hebt gevlogen en fijn dat u vandaag bij ons aan boord was. Wij wensen u een goed verblijf in Amsterdam of een voorspoedig vervolg van uw reis toe. Graag tot ziens en wel thuis. And welcome to Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. And please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as items may have shifted and could fall out. You can now switch on the mobile services on your phone again, and other electronic devices must remain stowed until we arrive at the gate. On behalf of this entire crew, thank you for flying KLM. It was a pleasure having you on board with us today. We wish you a good stay in Amsterdam or a pleasant onward journey, and we hope to see you again soon.
Dear passengers, welcome in Amsterdam. Unfortunately, there are some baggage cards on our left side. They are prohibiting us to park the aircraft. So at this moment we are waiting until they are clear and then we can continue to the final parking position.
Cabin crew, the doors may be open.